Mm. It tastes like a benquang, but without any salt or other spices. What is up, everybody? This is Kwamen the Journey. We are back with another video. My name is Kwame. This is my host, Nissa, and today we are making palm nut oil. I'm gonna harvest the palm nuts. We're gonna wash them, boil them, smash them, boil them again, and filter out the palm nut oil, and then give the palm nut oil another boil to get rid of the water. First of all, shout out to all the new subscribers. We are at number 33 right now. Let's push this to 50 so we can do lives over here. But until then, let's keep going. Like, share, subscribe, put a comment down there. I'll react to all of you. Let's go. Okay, guys, look. This is the bunch that holds the palm nuts, and my plan was to cut it out and bring it down and then take the palm nuts out one by one, but I really can't cut it out. It's really hard, like the root or the stem, so I ended up like having to pick out the palm nuts one by one by like putting a knife in there and really just going one by one by one. You can already see it is very fatty in there, very mushy. It has been raining since a week now, so that has also like seems to have softened this whole thing. But yeah, right now this bag is full enough to have like one pot full for me to boil it. So next step is going to be the washing, and then we're going to cook the palm nuts. Okay, so after the wash, I've now separated the palm nuts and poured the rest of the stuff away. And next step is to cook the palm nuts. Okay, family, what has happened so far? Yesterday, I boiled them in the water for about 1.5 hours. Because it was dark, I couldn't film it. And after the boiling, actually, like I realized while it was boiling that the soup that came from it, that was a benquang, so palm nut soup. So actually, I scooped some of it and had some eba with it to like cook the gari. So then today, when the whole palm nuts were cooled down, first I thought I'll put it in the blender, but then I realized that the palm nuts were so soft that you could just separate the fruit by hand. I separated all of the palm nut seeds from the fruit, and you can see that the material that is left over is, yeah, you can see all these this type of material. That's what was left over. I mashed it, and now I've given it another cook. And I have to say, like, the whole time I didn't see that much oil, but now the oil is coming up. So actually I'm now ready to scoop a first batch of the oil. Okay, we already have quite a bit of palm nut oil. Man, this mission is going great. This mission is going great and much better than I thought. Okay, next I'm going to separate the palm fruit into a separate plate. And guys, be sure that we are gonna make more of these type of experiments and find out all we can about African food, Ghanaian food, and producing local things. Okay, fam. I just had a fresh, washed my hands freshly, and I think this has cooled down enough. So we are just gonna give it a nice squeeze. Yeah, we can see that definitely we have some more palm oil right now. I'm gonna wash my hands and then scoop up some more. Oh, and by the way, how does it taste? Mm, it tastes like a bengkwang, but without any salt or other spices. And also has like it's slightly bitter, but it also smells and it tastes like palm oil. So, yep. Okay, I was here. Um, this is the amount of palm nut oil that I have retrieved so far. I am okay with the rest of the oil that is still in there. I'm gonna make palm nut soup with it, and let's see how much oil and how much water we have in here. That's why I'm going to pour it into this glass for us to see, and then I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna further cook this out to get the water out or not. But let's give it a pour. Mhm. So I'm happy with the result, um, and I'm also happy to make some palm nut soup. This was my first time making palm nut oil by myself. Thank you for joining. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and like, share, leave a comment. I'm gonna answer all of your comments, and thank you for watching.